Hi all. Today I will show you how to use dual messenger in case you're using two Facebook accounts, maybe your work's Facebook account and your personal Facebook account. You have the option to install two separate ones and keep them separate. So for this you will go into settings, scroll down to advanced features, and here you want to scroll all the way down and you have here the option dual messenger. So as soon as you activate this, it will ask you if you wish to install a second copy of Facebook, and of course you have this option, which either way, the way you prefer it, to use separate contact lists or not. Otherwise you just press next and it will start turning on your dual messenger and it will install automatically a second copy of your Facebook. So this way you're now mixing personal life with your works account. So I find this a lot better. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.